Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sara.
And we're here to help you get creative. We're live.
We're live.
So exciting.
Bucket list.
Yes.
We just did one.
Yes, we did. We had our very first holiday market this year.
Yeah, super fun. We've been wanting to do this for a while, so that's something live and in person. We love talking to our camera here, audience. We know you're out there. Sometimes it's fun to interact and
interact
in
with
person,
people.
talk about what we do. We got our elevator speech down.
Exactly.
So-
We have to say it over and over again. It was a lot of fun to sell our product in person, and we had a really good reception.
We did.
Get
some good feedback and,
Yeah.
and all really positive. Yeah, we had a good time.
Yeah, we actually ended up making enough to cover the cost and keep a little bit in our bank account. So along with doing the marketplace, we wanted to show you a little bit of how we prepared for that.
We also were able to put together a little project on the side. Using our
Hobby Lobby finds. Yeah, our 90% off Hobby Lobby. I found this shutter. It was broken and probably $1.
That's the best.
Yes, and another little sign. So I just put them together, and we had another little sign to set up in our booth. That was probably one of the most exciting parts.
So our booth existed in my garage first.
Yeah.
So I would say that might be our best tip. If you have not done this and you're wanting to physically tape off the space that you have and figure it out.
Yeah.
We were able to literally come in and probably in an hour unload everything and set it up.
Yeah.
We knew exactly where things were going.
It made it really easy and stress-free.
Yeah. And I think as we went though, throughout the day, we readjusted things and shifted things around. So we learned as we went.
Yeah.
But we had a really good starting point. We didn't change it too much.
No, not really. However, we had a lot of people come by our booth and give us helpful hints, because we would tell everybody that this was our first show. And so they would say, oh, well, maybe if you did this, we'd be able to see it better. So the booth actually evolved quite a bit over the day.
It did. And we were inside, which was
that.
nice. Which also means we did not have a tent space. We just had a taped off space. So we had to create some vertical features and make things...
Make it feel like a little pop-up. What do they call those? Pop-ups.
A little pop-up store.
Made it feel like a pop-up.
Yeah.
We had awesome neighbors on either side of us.
did. Yeah.
And we were lucky enough to have a wall. So when we do this again, we're going to have to get pretty creative on figuring out how to give ourselves a wall behind us if we have one or not. So,
and just pray for a wall.
Yes.
Just a wall behind
We
you.
need a wall because we took our sign with us.
We did.
We need something to prop that up with.
Yeah. Yep.
So we hope to do many more of these next year.
We do.
Now we know we want to do it.
Yeah. We can plan.
And it worked, and it was a lot of fun. So
we're talking over each other, so you can tell we were excited.
I know we're very excited about this.
Yeah.
So we'll show you a little bit about the show. We'll show you the process of making our little extra project.
Okay, let's go.
Enjoy.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, and fell apart south of Salt Lake. Colorado calls to me, and Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change, but I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I've swam the beaches on the West Coast, climbed the trees of California. past those mountains in Montana. I've wandered long enough to know how good a good thing was. I feel it more the further that I get. So the wheels are pointed west, till I know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time. Miss me when I go, I'll find reasons to stay, and someone to take up my time. And I'm not gonna go when I
Chatty Amy. Chatty Sarah. All of our little crafts still have price tags on them.
That's why I do things twice when you can do them once.
Right. So we're already ready for the
set.
next time.
Invite us.